People lay claim that cats use humans to get their food, often saying they're the most manipulating animals. When you compare them to dogs, they do seem rather cold. They don't display the same type of loyalty dogs have, which gives off the perception that cats don't love their humans. However, one cat proves this notion wrong. Shotzie, an 11-year-old feline, lives with an older couple, Kirk and Tammy Miller. Shotzie was never fond of the couple's kids, including Brandy. The feline decided never to spend any time with them, which is why she was dubbed the mean cat. The feline was always nice to the parents, but it was other people in the home that she strayed away from. She's not really a people cat, Brandy explained to the dodo. She doesn't like being around anyone except for my mom and my stepdad, Kirk. If anyone comes over, she usually hides, and if I'm around her, she'll usually start hissing. She just doesn't like me or my sisters. Her behavior meant the family didn't expect much out of her. They would leave her alone to do what she wanted. They gave up the idea that she'd become a great house pet. However, when Kirk was in trouble, Shotzie was more than just a mean cat. Kirk was getting ready for work one morning when he experienced a heart attack. He fell to the floor, but nobody but the cat knew what had happened. Tammy was asleep in the bedroom with no idea what was going on. Shotzie came and got her, saving her owner's life. She ran back in the bedroom, jumped on the bed, slid across the comforter, pounced on my mom's head, and let out the biggest roar to wake her up, Brandy said. Shotzie roared like a mountain lion. She said it was extremely loud and deep growl to get her up and moving. It was the first time Tammy had ever heard the cat make that kind of sound. She knew something wasn't right and immediately got up. She discovered her husband unconscious in the living room. According to Brandy, her mother started CPR right away but got no response. She called 911 and firefighters arrived. They shocked him 3 times and were finally able to get a heartbeat. The cat's warning meant Kirk got to the hospital in time for his condition to be stabilized by doctors. He's back at home waiting for his triple bypass surgery. For her part, Shotzie keeps him in her sights, following him everywhere he goes, including the bathroom. Kirk is very appreciative for Shotzie in saving his life. As for Brandy and the rest of the family, they now see the feline in another way and appreciate what she did. There's no doubt how surprising animals can be. A cat may appear to be less loyal than a dog, but never mistake their coldness for uncaring.